ang masasabi ninyo doon sa House Committee on Justice? How
Ako,
they handled?
Si Luistro pa ang chair. Isa pa yan. Dapat mag-resign yan eh. Grabe yan si Luistro. Grabe yan, pro-Martin, pro-BBM. May AX-TAX dahil sa speaker. May ganito bilyon dahil sa speaker. Kulang lang sabihin, may ulan, may lindol, may baha dahil sa speaker eh. This is the same Congresswoman Luistro who admitted that she hid her husband who was accused of rape. He was accused of rape. Dapat nag-surrender siya. Tingnan mo si Revilla. Di ba nag-surrender siya? Eto, rape ha? Non-bailable. Sabi niya, sa akin yun ang tama eh. Anong klase abogada ka? Abogada ka? Dati ka pa daw piskal? Accused of rape ang asawa mo, hindi mo pinasurrender? May dapat sa'yo ma-disbar, Congresswoman Luistro.
Lumalabas lagi yung fabricated cases of rape ng asawa ko with the branding that tinago ko ang asawa ko.
Yes.
I evaded the law.
That's what's going around. That here you are holding people to account, and yet you told your husband to hide and not face these charges when they were filed against him. Talaga bang tinago niyo yung asawa niyo?
Yes. Tinago ko po ang asawa ko. It is because I needed to step back.
Pero ma'am, baka kasuhan kayo ni Congresswoman Luistro of slander right now or libel, destroying her reputation.
Congresswoman Luistro! Make my day.
Balikan natin ngayon ang impeachment complaint.
Dami lang naman yun. That's a dummy complaint. Yung sabi nga ni Congressman Erice, that lawyer is the lawyer of Lisa Marcos against Glenn Chong. Paano kami maniniwala dyan? They just did that para mabar yung any other complaint. Nag-file pa rin ng Makabayan. Naman ang gusto ko sa Makabayan, consistent. BBM resign, Sara resign. Itong si Risa Ontiveros ng Akbayan eh. Dati, never again. Ngayon, why not? Manirinig mo ba siya? Nagsasabi ng BBM resign. Kabayan is consistent. Diyan ang mga kasama ko noon sa UP eh. Kabatch ko yan si Lisa Wasa. Consistent yan. Di ba? Akbayan gusto nila, Sara i-impeach, tsaka na lang daw labanan si BBM. What kind of thinking is that? Anong klaseng strategy yan? I think ang gusto talaga nila mayari is BBM gang will support her either as vice president, di ba? Pero dreaming na yan na tatakbo sa president dahil hindi tatakbo ang BBM gang. Mas guwapo naman si John Vic Remulla kaysa kay Lamas. Tatakbo yun. Sabi mo ma'am, Bardagulan. Bakit kayo magagalit sa akin? I'm a private citizen. Sue me.
What can the president do in the last 2 years of his administration that would really make a difference? Kasi naging whistleblower siya naglabas nung yung mga flood control.
Hindi totoo yan, ma'am. Because I think, eto na naman, prediction ko to, kaya makinig kayo lagi sa akin. Tunay akong analyst. Sa first 3 years nila, ang plano nila is kaukaw ng kaukaw. Nakaw todo-todo. And they use the budget. That's why yung yan mortal sin nila to our democracy is that they used Congress to loot